Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to our next video for this week. We are going to be drawing our very own food truck. So we are starting with one piece of paper, and notice we are not holding it nice and tall, we're holding it nice and long. And to get started, all you will need is a pencil. I am going to go right in with my black marker, which you would do after you have your design all set. So the first thing we are going to be doing is drawing our food truck. Now we want to draw kind of just the basic shapes to get our food truck started. So what I'm going to do is start by drawing a rectangle. And there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of draw a short line out and then a diagonal line and then kind of like another diagonal line from there, come down, and that is the front of my food truck. So now I need to add in my wheels for my tires. You can color these in now or later, that is up to you. And there we go. So now I have the basic shape of my food truck. Now you might want to pause the video, rewind, and watch this part again after we make our rectangle. How do we make the front of our food truck? If you need some help, that would be a great idea to pause now, go back and watch. But now, if you are all caught up and you're at this point, we need a window in our food truck. So I am going to put my window right here. And as I'm working, I'm trying to think, what do I want my food truck to be selling? And I'm thinking I want my food truck to be a cupcake food truck because I do love cupcakes. So maybe on the top of my food truck, I have some cupcakes or one big cupcake. Maybe I want to draw some designs here. So it's up to you. Think about how you are going to show that this is a cupcake food truck. Now, next to my window here, I might have my menu board that I want. Menu. Maybe I'll go in with some finer details with my pencil to kind of finish that part up. And maybe I want to make kind of like a little ledge. So from this corner of my window, I'm making a diagonal line out, and then I'm going to the other corner, and I want my diagonal line to go out the opposite way. And then I'm going to connect them. And there we go, we have my ledge. Now up here, I'm going to draw that cupcake. Here's the bottom of my cupcake. And now I can draw my cupcake toppings, and here are all my sprinkles. That looks great. Now I just want to attach this, and I'm gonna have it kind of standing up on my food truck. So here's a great way to do it. Maybe over here, I might want to put some details for my car. So I'm gonna need some lights. Maybe I want to add in the door. Here's my window for my food truck. So think about all the things that you might want to add in. Now, I can add some details now with my Sharpie, or I can wait until I start coloring, but maybe I want to add some details kind of sprinkles or frosting on my food truck. Maybe up here, you want to write the name of your food truck. So let's think, what can I name my, let's call it Cupcake Shop. And that's the name of my food truck. I'm writing that in. Do I want my food truck to be on the road? So I need to make sure it's on the road, or maybe when I color this in, it'll kind of be on the grass. So that is up to me to decide. Now, I think I am going to stop here because now that I've drawn my food truck, I am ready to color it in. And there we go. Here is my cupcake food truck all complete. I'm so excited to see what you guys will be making for your food truck. Is it a taco truck, hamburger truck, French fries? Whatever you guys think you want as your food truck, I am so excited to see the design you create.